we're just lunging now. Huey's still trying to put in a bit more weight, but at least he doesn't look as bad as he did a month ago. Abby's out there vlogging and riding Fred because we're going to the beach tomorrow. YouTube, we're about to make it to 7 Mile Beach near Wollongong. In 200 meters. Another day trip out with Abby and the boys. Gonna be very fun. Lots of fun. Gonna get the boys off. Ugh. Hey Pippa, what are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. And Freddles. Ugh. What are you doing? Hey? You're pretty hot. You're pretty hot. Hey Pooh, can you hear it? Can you hear the beach? The beach, let's go. Ah! We're ready. Abby's going to be riding Fred in the track pad. I'm going bareback. Got my not my swimmers on, but I'm trying to tan. And then Abby's in riding clothes because she's riding in a saddle.
I've got some on.
And the boys just chilling. We're about to head off.
Oh, that's pretty good. Yes, very shy as it has to be. You're game riding no saddle, man. I've done that.
Oh no, I love it so much. It's so much easier.
I could never. Last time I did it down here.
I always ride bareback on the beach. It's the best. Like that.
Yeah.
Oh, Poo Poo. This way. So we have to go this way. That's a fancy golf cart. Very fancy. This way? I don't know. That poor horse is going to get so bullied.
Who? Oh,
Hamish.
Oh, poor boy.
Right, Hamish is used to it. He has bigger brothers.
Oh,
I've got scratches all over my back now. Ow. Is that bleeding?
Ow, no, you're fine.
Okay, good. Watch, pay attention. Yeah. Alright, we're off. You want to have a look?
He's like, what the hell?
Have a look. Have a look. Good boy, you're right. Good job. Good job. It's alright. Just look at it. It's alright. You're alright, buddy. Good job. Good boy, Freddie. That's too cute. Good boy. You're alright. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. I'm waiting for me, guys. Ready for a canter, Hamish? Go, Freddie. Good. Good job, Fred. Look. Good boy, Huey. Good boy.
I think Freddie's getting confused. He's trying to go with the water.
Freddie's brain does a lot of weird things. We'll go in with Fred. Good boy, Huey. Just stay with Freddie. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Look at how comfortable we are. Good job. Good boy, Huey. You're alright. Good job. Good job. job. You're right. Why do you sprint after? Takes a while. Yeah, that's, you got a sandbank there.
We were swimming for a second.
Careful for the sandbanks, mate.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh. There you go.
Okay, go.
Can't I? Oh my God, Huey, chill. Oh. Finally here. Hello, Major. Handsome boy. Good job, Major. Good boy. It's all right. I'm standing here. Good job. Hello. Oh my God, that sand really hurts. Oh. Huey, listen, would you? I have zero control, I've just realised that. Holy, you have no idea how much you hurt me.
What?
There's sand.
Yeah.
The small sand and how fast we were going. All in my eyes. All in my eyes, all in my face, all over my legs.
I couldn't stop you. They just kept.
I know, but I'm just telling you how much it
I
hurt.
was like, woo, woo, woo.
Huey is so excited. He is such a disaster to ride. Fred's doing good. Abby's finally bareback. Out of the track pad. The gang. Very cool. Very cool. Hey. Hey guys, as you can tell, it is the next day. I am incredibly sunburned. I did not put on sunscreen. You should always put on sunscreen, especially when you live in Australia and you're near the beach. But I hope you enjoyed all our GoPro videos. I know they probably weren't going to be that great, but Huey and Fred did so well today. They were very brave. Huey only went in the water after Freddie did, and Freddie just walked in. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in another video. Bye!